Welcome back students to my channel like Saga City. So I'm getting frequent requests to update the next video, that is 16 September 2021 real IELTS test prediction. So this video is for that, the complete prediction of the same date. So you know that it's an academic and gender module test date, and we have both the test on the same day by IDP India and also British Council Global. So here we will see how will be the test. So starting from listening module as usual for both academic and general if you are attending morning section or evening section. So in part 1, you will get fill up type of question that will be one word and or a number. And this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2, again, by hearing the social conversation, this time there is a chance to get short MCQs along with selection of later type of question. That means for 5 to 6 options, you want to select according to their instruction. 2 out of 5 like that. So this part also will be an easy one. Moving on to part 3. The part 3 and 4 will be an academic related conversations or the monologue. So in part 3, you will hear an academic discussion and you will get the questions like large MCQs along with matched information type of question. That means for the questions, you will get some options in a box and you want to cross accordingly. So this part will be little bit moderate level but should not be more difficult and all. Then regarding the part 4, you will hear an academic monologue and you will get the questions like fill up type of question that will be one word only summary completion. So the complete audio will be in normal pace and overall we can set it as easy. Okay, so try to practice more. So it's completely based on your capability. So now we'll see regarding the reading module of academic first. So in passage 1, you will get true, false, not given type of question and also fill up type of question. That will be a short, not completion, that also one word only. So this passage will be an easy one. Moving on to passage 2. First of all, there is a chance to get the passage related to this technology, science and all. And the question type will be match the information type of question. Most probably which paragraph contain this information. They will give you a set of information and you want to cross it. Which paragraph contain those information. Along with that, fill up type of question that will be up to 2 words, a short not completion and also selection of letters. Here they will give you 5 options and you want to select any 2 according to their instruction. So this passage will be in moderate level, and regarding the last passage, you can expect MCQs, that is multiple choice question along with 4 options, then yes no not given type of question, and along with that fill up type of question again. That will be a table completion or a short not completion again. That also one word only. So this passage also will be easy to moderate level. So overall your reading section will be in easy to moderate level. So try to practice more, collect some materials and practice well. Now we'll see regarding the gender module reading. So in section 1, you know that you will get 2 short passages and this time you can expect short answer question. That means direct question and they will give the instruction like you can use up to 3 words. Then along with that, true, false, not given type of question to you. This section will be an easy one. Moving on to section 2. This time you can expect match the information type of question. Most probably they will ask you in the form of list of heading and fill up type of question, that also up to 2 words, and you can expect 2 set of fill up type of question. Either will be in the form of diagram completion or table completion. So you can expect 2 set of fill up type of question in section 2. So this part also will be an easy one. Regarding the last section, you will get a long passage and the question type will be MCQs along with selection of letters. That means 5 option and you want to select any 2, and along with that fill up type of question 2. Again the short not completion, that also one word only. So this section will be easy to moderate level. So overall we can say it as easy to moderate level. Okay, now we'll see regarding the writing module of academic first. Regarding the task 1, so this time you can expect a bar chart, line chart, table or the combination of any 2, and along with that try to concentrate on map. That also diachronic map. That means same place at a different time. So you will get the master classes for the task 1 section and I will provide the link in the description box. So you will get the complete idea regarding the structure, vocabulary and all. So now we'll see regarding the task 2. So this time you can expect opinion type essay. They will ask you in any different form Then the second category, discussion with opinion type essay. So if you are asking for discussion with opinion means try to add the third body paragraph along with the explanation for your opinion. Then along with that, try to concentrate on outweigh type of question under discussion type. Okay. Then regarding the gender module, now we'll see regarding the task one first. This time you can expect an informal later. So try to concentrate on the vocabulary, the phrases which you can able to use in informal later. That means informal language you can use the phrasal verb and everything you can use, and contractions are allowed. So try to be thorough with the informal later. Now we'll see regarding the task 2. So this time you can expect either opinion type essay or discussion with opinion type essay. These two category you want to be familiar with. So again, I just want to make you clear and remember regarding the structure. So try to follow the updated structure always. Okay, now we'll see regarding the essay topics for academic and gender module. So I will prepare one another video with the sample questions under each topic as usual. So I will prepare as soon as possible. So regarding the topics, you want to be familiar and try to collect some points under these topics. First one, work related or job related questions or related to business and marketing. Next one, transportation related, public or private transportation along with tourism, international or local tourism. Then third one, technology, that may be communication technology or information technology they can ask for. Then about the media platforms, TV, radio, internet, social media platforms and all. Then health and exercise, related to health, diet, exercise, sports related that topics. Then education related, that may be offline education or online educational platforms or related to teachers, peer group and all. Then environmental problems, that may be related to animal extinction or loss of biodiversity, climatic conditions and all, pollution also. Then government role and economy, related to government role in any particular aspect or funding of government in different sectors, how to utilize the money and all, like that questions. And the last topic, world issues, that may be related to our population or gender or age related factors, men versus women or old age versus youngsters, like that, or related to social problems, globalization, urbanization, consumerism, materialism, like that topic, and also oriented to family. So these all are the topics you want to be familiar with. Try to collect some points which you can able to apply under any type of essays. It will be more easy for you while you are getting the questions and all. So try to collect some opposing and also supporting points. So all the very best for your test date, and I will prepare one another video with the details regarding the essay questions under each category. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So if you want to get all the updations related to IELTS test dates and all means. And online classes are available right now, so you can book for your seat. So stay tuned.